In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your connection is not private error on Google Chrome. If you're seeing this message in Chrome, it usually means the browser is trying to protect you from a website that may have an invalid, expired, or mismatched security certificate. In some cases, though, the warning can appear even when you're trying to open a site you trust. One simple setting in Chrome may help you get past the issue, and that's exactly what I'll show you here. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded before moving to the next step, so it's easier to find the settings we need. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu, where you can access Chrome's settings and other tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where different browser options are organized into categories. If you don't see everything right away, that's completely normal, because the menu can look slightly different depending on your Chrome version. On the left side, find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles safe browsing, certificates, secure connections, and other protection features. Since this error is related to website security, this is the right place to make the adjustment. Next, click Security. Here, you'll see several options related to how Chrome protects your browsing experience. Look for the setting called Always Use Secure Connections. Now, toggle off Always Use Secure Connections. When this option is enabled, Chrome tries to upgrade sites to a more secure connection whenever possible. While that's generally helpful, it can sometimes cause problems with certain websites and trigger or contribute to connection warnings. After turning that setting off, go back and try opening the website again. In many cases, this is enough to resolve the issue and let the page load normally. As a quick tip, only use this change when necessary, especially if you're visiting a website you know and trust. Chrome includes this feature for safety, so if the problem is fixed later, you may want to return to the same security section and turn it back on. That's all you need to do. Open Chrome, go to the three dots, choose Settings, select Privacy and Security, open Security, turn off. Always use Secure Connections, and then try again. If this helped, you can use the same steps anytime the error appears in Chrome.